Hello YouTube viewers. Here we have this Fasco Old South in the brown and antique brass coloration. Let's see if you can find that tag. Not sure how much you're going to be able to see of it. Oh, I can't really see what I'm pointing at, but it's up there. Got this thing off Craigslist for my friend Matthew Orat. He's actually coming down here sometime soon, I think next month, to pick it up, along with a few other fans. Let's go and put it on low speed. Low speed's really aesthetic on the sand, it's really slow. Very nice low speed. Go to a medium. Pretty well balanced also. High speed. A little bit of bearing noise. Got it. Come here. Guess the bearing's probably a little bit of TLC, but still runs good. There you go. Thanks for watching, everyone.